Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Market, the educational channel about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. In this video, I want to introduce you to the new wallet that Trezor has just launched on the market, the amazing Trezor Safe 5 hardware wallet. I'm going to show you its main features, updates, and everything you need to know about this great release. So please, stay until the end of the video because it is full of very interesting information. Trezor Safe 5 is designed to be the ultimate hardware wallet for cryptocurrency users who prioritize both security and user-friendliness. No matter if you are new to hardware wallets or an experienced cryptocurrency user, Trezor Safe 5 offers unparalleled security and convenience for storing, managing, and using your crypto. Let's start with the design. The device continues to maintain the beautiful design that characterizes Trezor wallets. The Trezor team designed a beautiful black device. Its measures are 2.6 per 1.6 inches. With its vibrant color touchscreen and tactile feedback features from the Trezor Touch haptic engine, it offers an intuitive experience that's easy to navigate. With haptic feedback, it is possible to feel, so everything becomes more real thanks to physical feedback. Additionally, the screen has an all-glass surface that uses Gorilla-registered Glass 3 technology. This makes it a very resistant screen that will survive drops, scratches, and bumps from daily routine. This easy-to-use screen ensures that managing your crypto is secure and intuitive. The larger screen makes it easier to read transaction details and confirms that you are signing the correct transactions, reducing the risk of errors. The device has several color options on the back. When you buy the wallet, you can choose between three options: black graphite, violet ore, or green beryl. At the bottom, you find the USB Type-C connector. The wallet is manufactured with durable PCABS plastic, tamper-evident casing, anodized aluminum backplates, and intricate laser engraving. The Trezor Safe 5 wallet comes available in two options. You can choose between the universal wallet to store Bitcoin and thousands of tokens and cryptocurrencies, or you can choose the wallet to only store Bitcoin. The wallet is packed with security features to keep our digital assets safe. Trezor 5 wallets are Secure Element Certified AL6+ without non-disclosure agreements. Unlike other secure items that require non-disclosure agreements, the Trezor Safe 5 wallet is completely open to scrutiny, ensuring transparency and trust. This secure element, combined with robust PIN and passphrase protection, is designed to withstand physical and digital attacks. This is an impenetrable security pair. The highest level is AL7, which is used in the most demanding security environments, such as military or government applications. This AL6+ certificate that the Trezor wallet has is the highest in the ecosystem, which means that this product has strict security requirements. The chip performs two key jobs at the security level. First, it improves the physical security of the wallet by adding a layer of security to the PIN protection mechanism. And second, it plays a very important role in verifying the authenticity of our device. This smart chip gives our funds an extra layer of protection in case we lose our device or it is stolen. This chip was designed to protect highly sensitive information from software and hardware attacks. In this wallet, you can also use passphrase. The passphrase is an additional password that is linked to our seed words to increase the security level of our funds. Do you want more security? Trezor Safe 5 gives you more security. On the side, it has a micro SD card slot. In the Trezor Safe 5 wallet, you can encrypt your PIN using a micro SD card. If you wish, with this option, you can generate an additional security filter against physical attacks. By activating SD card protection, a randomly generated secret is stored on the micro SD card. When checking your PIN or using your PIN to unlock your Trezor, this secret is combined with the PIN to decrypt data stored on the device. If you lose the micro SD card, no problem. You restore the wallet with the seed words, and that's it. You can configure it again with a new SD card. Remember that this security filter is optional. Additionally, this wallet has two-factor authentication and FIDO2 standard which allows you to use the device to authenticate the login safely and efficiently on web pages such as Google, GitHub, Dropbox, WordPress, and many more. Access to websites is linked to Recovery Seed. The Recovery Seed is safely stored inside Trezor. It will never be shared, as it can never leave the device. No viruses or hackers can access it. All Trezor devices have very important certifications and meet all environmental, quality, and reliability standards. Trezor wallets are X-ray safe and suitable for air travel. For security, I always recommend purchasing the wallet from the official Trezor site. I do not recommend buying these wallets on platforms like Amazon because they can be manipulated and our funds can be stolen. If you want to buy this excellent wallet, in the video description, I leave you the link so you can go directly to the official Trezor store. You accept cookies for better navigation, and you can make the purchase with complete security. This is very interesting. One of the standout features of the Trezor Safe 5 is its support for SLIP39, an improved backup standard. The Trezor Safe 5 brings a new 20-word standard to your wallet backup. Simply use your wallet backup to recover access to your crypto, no matter what happens. If you want to create a new wallet, Trezor Safe 5 generates 20 seed words by default. And if you already have a hardware wallet that is compatible with BIP39, such as a Ledger, Bitbox2, Coldcard, or some other Trezor model, you can recover your funds on this device completely safely. You can recover them using standard 12 and 24-word seeds. You can manage your crypto in Trezor Suite without any problem. Send and receive your coins. Confirm every transaction directly on your wallet. In this wallet, you can store thousands of coins and tokens in a totally secure way. By purchasing the wallet, you receive the Trezor Safe 5 hardware wallet, the startup guide, a USB Type-C cable, some stickers, and 2 wallet backup cards. As you can see, the Trezor Safe 5 wallet marks a very important milestone in the world of cryptocurrency security. This wallet offers unparalleled security features and a seamless user experience, making it the best option for storing your cryptocurrencies. It maintains a user-friendly interface with the highest levels of security in the ecosystem. Remember, if you want to advance to the next level of security in hardware wallets, in the video description, you will find the link so you can go to the official website and buy yours. Thanks so much for the support, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.